Hi guys, recently AI baby dancing videos have been trending all over social media, especially on TikTok and Instagram. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to create one in just a few minutes. So let's get started. First, copy the link of any TikTok dance video you want to use as a reference, then download it using any TikTok video downloader. Next, open Kling AI on your PC or mobile. When you sign in, you'll get some free credits to start with. I will also put the official link in the description. Now select the Kling 2.6 motion control feature. Make sure motion control is selected, then upload your dance video reference here, and on this side, upload your image character. After that, click Generate. It will cost only 75 credits and the generation takes about 5 minutes. And just like that, you brought this adorable baby to life with a cute little dance. Here's another example, a motorcycle dance. If you want to try this, you can use the template. Just click on the motion library or upload your own video reference. Then select the motorcycle dance template, upload your character image, and hit Generate. Here's a simple tip to hide the watermark. Go to the 123 app, upload your video. And then crop the area where the watermark appears. This won't completely remove the watermark, but it will hide or blur it, and that's it. I hope this helps. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more AI tips and content.
Let's go!